Your NDK will come with a flow regulator that's regulated to 20 gallons per minute. We want to get this installed somewhere between the NDK and the inlet pump for the assembly itself, but nowhere to be installed within the NDK. First, we're going to go ahead and get Teflon tape on the flow regulator, and then we'll thread it into the unions. The unions provided with the flow regulator are a socket by thread union. We'll go ahead and thread these onto the flow regulator on both sides. Be careful not to bottom out the thread so we don't crack the union. Your flow regulator is now ready for assembly between the inlet pump and the NDK itself. This will keep the flow below 20 gallons a minute so we don't outrun the injection rates of our Anderson pumps. Depending on the country you're located in, your NDK will ship with either imperial couplings or metric conversion couplings for the inlet and outlet of the NDK itself.